Hi guys, welcome back to another 2 looks 1 palette video. In today's video, we are going to dig into Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. We're doing this fresh-faced ice bunny type of look, and we're also doing a super strong glam bronzy-eyed look. If you want to see it, then just hang out.
I've always been a very open person.
Does everybody watch Jen on Sunday mornings? Bye Jen, I gotta go. So I'm gonna try to do my makeup without securing my bangs. I'm just gonna end up doing this. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the wearable look. I filmed the glam look before I'm doing this look, so I already know, I mean you saw from the thumbnail that it's like a very bronzy kind of goth looking almost look with that dark lip. So I want to do a complete opposite and just do very fresh ethereal. Kind of like a mix of this color base and this beautiful pink color. That's not pink. This pink color Love. So we're doing like a very light pink wash, even lighter than the color that's in there. So I'm just kind of mixing them together and we're gonna go all over the lid. I literally just like tap into the pan. Like once on each color. Okay, I can't with these bangs. I'm not really taking the color like all the way up to the brow, but it's going up pretty high. With a pointy brush, I'm gonna dip it just into the pink color only, Love. And we're gonna focus on this outer corner and up into the crease. And then again with the first brush, I'm just gonna dip into base, one little tap, and just kind of use that to blend, soften that pink. I want to dip into this taupey brown color Volatile. Really all I want to do is kind of define that crease. We're not doing like sparkle, we're not going super craze, but we're gonna tap into Dreamer and Wild Child. So you see the theme here where, you know, we're just kind of going in those tones and then just kind of tap, tap, tap that on the lid. I'm not going for anything crazy here, but it is just like, it's enough to catch the light, give you a little bit of dimension. And then again with that clean brush, we're just going around the edges and making sure that we have a pretty blend. With a, you know, black pencil, you could use liquid for this too if you want, but I'm just gonna use this black pencil because I want it to stay soft and I want to just put a little slight liner on that top lash. Okay, and then now with a small angled brush, I'm just gonna smudge that line to soften it. So I'm using a finger and I'm tapping into Dreamer and Wild Child and then just tapping that along that lid. So we've already put a wash using a brush, but using your finger really helps deposit the color and give it a little bit more impact. I'm not gonna do anything on the lower lash line today because I want it to stay very wide-eyed and fresh. I am gonna take an eyelash curler and let's get to curling these lashes. I am gonna use black mascara. This is Benefit Rollerlash. You wanna make sure that you do 2 coats of mascara because you want it to be thick. Okay, now with a clean Q-tip, you just want to kind of run it along your inner corner to grab any eyeshadow or eyeliner that may have transferred, and also run it along your bottom lash line. You want this look to be very clean and fresh. Cool. All right, now we're gonna move forward with cheeks. We're gonna use this Flower Beauty Blush Balm in the color Bubbly. This is a more cool toned, like a bubblegummy pink, bubbly gum pink. Apply with one finger, blend with the other. Okay, and then for highlight, I'm gonna use my NYX A Bit Jelly in Opalescent. Do you see how pinky it shines back? So it looks really nice, especially with this kind of pinky, fresh-faced look. So for lips, I'm gonna take a little bit of that blush balm and just tap it on. And then on top of it, I'm gonna use this Pixi gloss in the color Honey Sheen. Okay, last step, let's give it a little spritz of setting spray. Okay, so this is the finished look. The vibe is like fresh-faced, in from the chilly, cold, winter snow bunny situation. So sometimes you want to go super, okay? So if you want to get there, then, I mean, hold on to your butts, okay? We're gonna get there. Just hang out. Okay, so I have my base contour concealer brows and a little bit of highlighter already on, and we're gonna dig into Norvina. So I think I'm gonna do like a bronzy situation. You guys down for that? I'm gonna dip into Eccentric I don't know if I've used this color yet or before or at all. We're gonna put this in the crease. I feel like every eye kind of starts the same, doesn't it? In the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath also. I really like to get into that eye bag and connect it to the top. I'm really kind of bringing this high because I want a really beautiful wash. And it's to set the stage. I'm being very dramatic. It's to set the stage for this bronze color. And we're gonna dip in this outer corner also. Okay, I'm gonna take a little tiny angled guy. This is a Luxie brush. I'm gonna dip into volatile or volatile, depending on how you say that word. And I'm gonna go right into this outer corner. I feel like I wanna switch it up a little bit. I definitely want this to be a very dramatic look, but you know, not black. My eye is watering. Ugh. My eye is so irritated right now. I feel like there's something in it. Ow! Do you see how red it's turning? Oh, it's watering. Oh, poor me. What did I do? I think it's from these makeup wipes. I'm gonna take a little bit of this color, Passion. It's a little bit more red tone than I was originally planning, but let's just go with it. Just a little bit right here in this outer corner, just to help deepen this up. Yeah, that's working. Do you want to cut the crease? Let's try it. So to cut the crease, I'm gonna use this Dermacol. And you know what? I'm only gonna do like a half cut crease. I only really wanna cut like the front. So I put concealer on the front half of the eye and just patted it in with the brush. I'm gonna dip into this color, Dazzling. This is a warm bronze color. You might not get great color payoff at first, but that's okay because we're gonna go over it with a finger and then it will really grab on. We're also carrying that Dazzling color into the inner corner. Now we're gonna take Volatile and Passion and we're just gonna go over that edge where it meets the outer corner just to blend that out a little bit more. So this has ended up being not a very dramatic cut crease. These tones aren't really different enough. Okay, so we went to cut the crease, and because these tones are so similar, there's not really a dramatic line. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil and I'm just gonna go right on the lash line on the top and tight line a little bit. Now what I want to do is take a small angled brush, clean, and I just want to smudge that line so it's not so harsh. Now for inner corner highlights, take a very tiny brush and I'm going to dip into this color Summer and Dreamer, and we're gonna mix them together. So I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and I'm gonna pop on a little bit of mascara, actually a lot of bit of mascara, especially on the bottom. And then for lashes, I'm gonna use these Morphe Sunset Boulevard. I don't wanna tip them too much because I've got the glue setting right now, but I will handle all of that biz and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my mascara on and my lashes, as you can see, and I think what I want to do is maybe deepen up this lower lash line a little bit because I feel like these lashes are a little... So I'm going to take this color Volatile with maybe a little touch of Passion here, and just in this outer corner, just deepen that up. I'm so envious of these like luscious bottom lashes that I see some people have. I don't have them. For me. Let's do some blush and highlight. So I've already used some of these Cover FX glitter drops. These came in a BoxyCharm. They are amazing. So I put them on when I was doing my foundation just so that I could get a nice good blend, and they are in there, they are shining, but I want to go even further. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight now and then I'll do blush on top just to make sure everything's blended. I'm gonna use MAC Show Gold. I've showed this to you before. It's there's definitely a shift in here. Do you see? It goes from like pink to gold. Pink to gold. It's iridescent. I don't like to highlight my chin because I'm already greasy enough. Now for blush. So I'm gonna dig into this Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio that we used last week, and I'm gonna go into the peachiest of the tones on the opposite side. This one is called Kash with a K, and we're going to blush it up. Let me go and just take this down. What are we working with today? I'm gonna leave my hair like this. I like it. It's a good look, right? Lips. I want to do an actual color today. Shocking. I know. Okay, I'm gonna take this Bodyography pencil in the color Timber. We are gonna go over it with this Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the color Psychic Medium. It's brown. It's brown, and we're doing it. We absolutely did not need to line these lips with this color. Oh well, I'm a little terrified, so what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of lightness in the center. This is Maybelline matte lipstick in the color Beige Babe. Does that look better? Worse? Does it look like a butthole now? Okay, now over top of this crazy lipstick, we're gonna use this Tartist lip paint in the color Strike Gold. Okay, so this is it. This is the final bronze glam look. I'm all bundled up in my bronze best. This isn't bronze at all. It's camel, but it's close enough. So I didn't think that I was gonna get such a bronzy look out of a palette that at first glance is like, you know, pink and purple, right? But here we are. Okay, so this is another 2 looks from 1 palette video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then let me know with a thumbs up. If you want to see another 2 looks 1 palette video, then let me know in the comments below which palette you want to see me do next. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then comment, thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, all of those things. Hit the notification bell down here somewhere, and then that will send you a notice to let you know whenever I upload a new video, which is every Thursday at noon here on YouTube. You can also follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitters. I don't know why I said it like that. That's crazy. I think that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Sunset Boulevard. Oh, fuck. Let's say this intelligible, shall we? Look at all that lipstick on my teeth. That looks real good, huh? Real good. These bangs. I can't. It's too much. I'm highlighting my texture because I'm a human and I have texture. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start over because I don't like this. This brush sucks. Color Volatile. Today's video. Wow, there's a lot of video. I love it, but I just inhaled a bunch of it.